Hello, and welcome to the directions for car loan. Go ahead and open the attached workbook. So you'll notice at the bottom there are 3 worksheets, car loan 1, 2, and 3. And if you notice the loan amount, the interest rate, and the months, it's the same on all 3. But what's going to change is the look of the formula. So now go to car loan 1, and I want to find the monthly payments from a loan for $32,000 at a rate of 6.5% for 3 years, which is 36 months. So go ahead to formulas and choose financial, and you're looking for PMT. And here we go, the rate, always divide by 12 because they're monthly payments. And number of payments, it's 36. If it was in years, it would be this 3 times 12, but it's already set for months, so that's fine. And then the present value of the loan, make sure you do the minus key so that you don't have it in red, is $32,000. So if you notice in the formula, it's telling you that you selected the rate, which was B5 divided by 12, then the number of payments was sitting in B6, and then the present value of the loan was B4. So go ahead and click OK, and you should have $980.77, and you can see the formula in the formula bar, and you could type this if you were good at typing formulas and memorizing when they're separated. The comma separates the parts of the formula. If you weren't sure what goes where, sitting in this cell with the formula, and it's showing up here, if you click this FX, which is insert function, you'll see it's broken down. Each section is separated here by a comma, B6, comma, and it shows everything you typed in there. So you could type them from scratch or go into this, what is called function arguments dialog box. Either way is correct. So now I'll click in total payments, and that will be equals, and I'm just going to press the up arrow, B9 times 36 payments. And then I want to find the difference, what is paid to the bank. So equals, up arrow, minus, and then I'll click the loan amount, which is B4, and then enter. So $3,307 goes to the bank. If I click formulas and choose show formulas, you'll see all of the cells that I've selected. When we go into loan 2 and 3, they should be the same amounts, but done slightly different. So I'm going to go into car loan 2, and here I want to find my monthly payment, but something's going to be a little different. I'll go to financial. I'll still go to PMT. And when I click in the rate, when I click that cell, B5, notice it doesn't say B5. It says what is attached to it to the left. It's called annual interest rate, which is still B5 because you can see it right here, 0.65%. And I'm going to still do divided by 12. And number of payments, and I'll click B6, but look what it shows up as, terms in months. And then I'll click the present value, minus, and I'm going to click the $32,000, and it shows up as loan amount. Same answer, same, everything is correct in the values and the calculation, but what shows differently, instead of seeing cell references, the cell names B4, B5, B6, is showing up what's attached to it. So you know, oh, it's the annual interest rate divided by 12. What is the term, number of payments? The term in the months. And then present value is the loan amount. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And then when I go to total payments, it'll be equals, up arrow. Notice it doesn't say B9, it's monthly payment, times, and I'll click the 36, which is B6, but it comes as term in months, and then enter. And then to find the difference it gets paid for borrowing this amount, equals, up arrow. It doesn't say B9, it's total payments, minus the loan amount. And it's the same value as in the first one. Then I'll click car loan 3. Now, how do you get it to show what's to the right of it? So what you need to do is select the range here. So I selected A4 to B6. And from the formulas, I'm going to choose create from selection. And the default is set to left. So anything that's in column B is going to be associated what's to the left of it. So I'll click OK, and I'll do the same thing for the second section. create from section, it's still at left, and okay. So now when I do the formula, otherwise if I didn't do this, it would have said B4, B5, B6. So now I set it up properly. I'll go to financial, payment, and again I'll choose the rate. Showing up now as the whole name instead of just B5. And then number of payments, 36, term in months, present value of the loan, and 32,000 is the loan amount, same amount, okay. And then I'll do the same thing here, times 36, term in months, and then what's the difference? What gets paid to the bank. So that's how you set it up. So the first one was just showing it in cell reference. The second one is showing you in names, so you can read it. And then the same thing with loan 3. That's a save and submit. Thank you.